Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, we're going to learn to use the rhythm of sound to speak the sound of words. We're going to form words that rhyme with the blended letters U, S. Some words that rhyme have the same lettering at the end of the word. The words that we form will rhyme because they follow this rule of having the same lettering at the end of the word. In forming words today, we are going to put one vowel and one or more consonants together to form a blend which will allow us to form a few words using that blend. What is a blend? A blend is two or more letters put together that when we sound out the letters together, they can either make two separate sounds or they can make a whole new sound. In this lesson, we're going to form 2 to 4 letter words where the letters that are put together to form words will make separate sounds. And as we sound out the words, we will hear their separate sounds. Let us begin forming the first word. Today we will use the vowel letter U with the consonant S to form the blend that we will use to form words. As you can see, we use the vowel U and we put the consonant S at the end of the letter U to form the blend US. In the blend US, when the blend is read, each letter makes two separate sounds. Let us sound out the blend together. Say the U sound, Say the S sound, S. Now say the U sound and the S sound together smoothly, us. Great job. Now, there are some special things to know about the blend US. The blend US that we formed here is a standalone word. What is a standalone word? A standalone word is a word that has its own meaning in and of itself. One of the meanings of the word us mean I and the rest of the group that includes me. Not all blends form standalone words like the blend us does. However, in this lesson, we will only form new words from the standalone word us. Another thing that is special about the standalone word us is that the word us can be used as a blend that can be put at the end of other consonant letters to form new words that have their own new meaning. Finally, the other special thing about forming new words with the standalone word us is that each word formed will have the same ending sound. When words have the same ending sound, they are called rhyming words. When we read rhyming words, reading words from memory becomes easier, making us a faster and more confident reader. Here on the board, we have the word us written a few times. Here, the word us will be used as a blend to help us form new words. We will put a consonant at the beginning of the blends to form new words that have their own new meaning. And we will also put a consonant at the end of one of the words, which will cause two identical consonants to be side by side. Remember that when two identical consonants are side by side, they make one sound. The letters that we blend with the blend us to form new words will keep their own sounds when we sound out the letters together that form the new words. Now, let us make a few words that rhyme with the letter blend that makes the standalone word us. When we put the letter B at the beginning of the blend us, we form the word bus. Let us sound out the word together. Say the B sound, B. Say the sound of the blend, us. Now say the B sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, bus. When we put the letter F at the beginning of the blend, us, and we put the letter S at the end of the blend, us, we form the word fuss. Let us sound out the word together. Say the F sound. Say the sound of the blend, us. Say the S sound, S. Now say the F sound and the sound of the blend along with the S sound together smoothly, while remembering that when identical consonants are side by side, they make one sound. Say the sound of the word, fuss. When we put the letter G at the beginning of the blend, us, we form the word Gus. Let us sound out the word together. Say the G sound, G. Say the sound of the blend, us. Now say the G sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, Gus. Great job. Now we will review the words that we formed in this lesson. Remember that we are to sound out the letters in each word with a smooth flow when we read the words. Ready? Repeat after me. Us, bus, fuss, Gus. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 9. Now, before I give you an assignment to do, I want to use this opportunity to give clarity to you as to why one of the words that we formed have a capital letter at the beginning of that word. Just in case some of you are wondering why one of the words have a capital letter at the beginning of it. The reason why I use the capital letter at the beginning of one of the words is because one of the rules for using capital letters is that we are to use a capital letter at the beginning of a special name of a person, place, or thing. Within this lesson, we formed one special name that people can personally use to name themselves or others. Therefore, we began the special name with a capital letter. The special name that we formed is Gus. We will learn more about when to use capital letters in future lessons within Homeschool for American Adults Learn to Write section. Now, I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and review the words that we formed. And remember that we are to sound out the letters in each word with a smooth flow when we read the word. If you find it difficult to read the words, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can read each word smoothly using the sounds of the letters together. When you can read each word with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning to read today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.